I'm sorry it had to be this way. I warned you to sell 100% of BFRG stock, and today on April 21st, BFRG dumped from $9.15 to a low of $6.71. It's down 36% today on April 21st, 2023. BFRG is actually how our traders made $7,000 in profit today. But if you aren't part of the Discord, then you missed out on it. We are the only stock trading channel that is publicly called 130 short squeezes. And now I'm going to give you 3 super stocks that I am trading within the next 3 trading days, which are likely to short squeeze, okay? Not only did we call the PRST short squeeze on April 17th, 4 days ago in the Pro Discord, we are going to show you the next likely runners. 3 likely short squeeze super stocks, starting with my friend AUGX. I called out this stock earlier. We did make money on it already. This stock can still rally. Keep an eye on stock number 1, AUGX. AUGX had over $150 million worth of shares purchased on April 20th. So that was yesterday. If this stock stays above $3, AUGX will short squeeze. Mark my words, AUGX will short squeeze if AUGX stays above $3. We will give updates on AUGX in the Discord, but even if you aren't in the Discord, watch AUGX for if it holds above $3. Guys, make sure that you like this video. So AUGX above $3. I'm selling the stock at $327, $338, $351, and $3.81 if AUGX really takes off. I'm really excited for AUGX if it stays above $3. I do have another stock for you to take a look at today, and that stock is TNYA. Now, TNYA stock, I'm looking for this stock to stay above $5, okay? So I still have a level where I'm going to say TNYA will either work or not work, but essentially I'm looking to buy TNYA around $5. Do not just buy this stock at $6, okay? Stock number 2, TNYA at about $5 could be a good trade. I'm selling it $5.40, $5.87, and potentially TNYA can go all the way up to $6.78. So TNYA, stock number 2, is another killer trade if we're able to buy it at the price which I showed you, around $5. But also the stock needs to stay above $5 on confirmation. If you're not sure how to get confirmation on a stock going up, make sure to either watch this video or join me in the Discord so I can show you exactly when I'm buying the stock. Stock number 3 is a stock called EYPT. Now, EYPT is my least favorite stock out of these 3 penny stocks, but EYPT can still do well, okay? This is a high risk, high reward trade. If you can pick up this stock around $8, we should get a rally to $8.90, $9.28, and even $9.90. I'm not looking for this stock to rally more than $10, but if it does, it can go all the way up to $10.83. Be careful if you trade EYPT. I'm much more confident and I have much more conviction in AUGX and TNYA. AUGX just had 50 million shares purchased at $3, meaning that that's a $150 million investment. When hedge funds invest that much money into a stock, you can imagine how high it can go, but it needs to stay above $3. Let's take a look at the chart one more time. Make sure the chart stays above $3. Watch it for up to 3 trading days. We should get some movement within 3 trading days. If you're not part of the Pro Discord, make sure to join that because we go over so many winning trades. It's insane. We had a trader make $11,345 just this week trading our callouts. To join the pro Discord, all you have to do is join the free Discord by clicking the link below and then sending me a direct message on Discord letting me know that you want to be a part of the pro group and get mentorship and coaching from the best trader in the world. Thank you guys for watching this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Traders, I want to give you some confidence right now that it is possible. It is possible to stop losing money in the stock market. The same trader who just made $11,000 this week is the trader who lost $1.7 million trading Bed Bath & Beyond stock.
I just want to tell everybody who's listening, I am 1.7 million in loss in stocks because I've been trading years real bad. So
there is hope. You just have to find the right trading team.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?